Calendula oil, for which this plant is best known, is a real treasure. Whether it is for dry facial skin, mature facial skin, delicate children's skin, or alleviating irritations, insect bites, eczema, sunburns, and allergies. It is known for its antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antibacterial effects, which makes it beneficial for healing wounds, rashes, or diaper rash in babies. Calendula oil is also used as an antiseptic. Calendula is used for both external and internal use. For internal use, it is used in the form of tea, which has a beneficial effect on spasms, stomach ulcers, hemorrhoids, heavy menstrual bleeding, fibroids, palpitations. Calendula can also be used in food as an addition to soups and salads. For external use, calendula is most often found in the form of oil, natural creams, ointments, or tea. Calendula ointment is used for swollen glands, ulcers, and wounds that are difficult to heal. Marigold cream is well known to all mothers because most of the products intended for baby care are based on this plant. When it comes to wound healing, calendula oil stands side by side with the famous aloe vera. This also applies to faster healing of scars, reduction of swelling, and relief of skin redness. Calendula oil is, in addition to raspberry seed oil, has proven to be an excellent natural skin care product after sunbathing. Due to the abundance of antioxidants, the oil of this wonderful plant is a phenomenal choice for people who struggle with eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Calendula oil can be of great help to people who have problems with varicose veins and visible capillaries. Baby diaper rash can be persistent and very frustrating. Calendula oil is one of the best oils for caring for baby sensitive skin because it is mild and does not cause irritation, and it has a very strong anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effect. Calendula oil recipe. If you enjoy making homemade cosmetics and don't have a lot of time for complicated recipes, you will like our instructions on how to make calendula oil yourself. You only need 2 ingredients to get started: dried marigold petals and organic cold pressure sunflower or olive oil, and 1 glass jar. Place the calendula petals in a clean dry glass jar. Then pour sunflower or olive oil over them so that the oil level is about 2.5 centimeters above the petals. If the petals start to float on the oil, measure 2.5 centimeters from the bottom of the jar and pour that much oil. The reason for putting this much oil is that the petals absorb it and increase in size, so it is important to have enough. Close the jar tightly and shake it well. Then put it in a paper bag that you will place near a sunny window where the sunlight will be able to warm it. Some people skip putting the jar in a paper bag, but some people find it an important part of the process because it protects the valuable ingredients in the marigold from UV light. Every day when you pass by the jar, give it a good shake. After 4 to 6 weeks, remove the petals and strain the oil into a clean, dry glass jar. Store it in a cool, dark place. Now that you have made your own calendula oil, all you have to do is use it up within a year.